Na, 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 na. Yeah. You think your business is cooking. You're busier than you can, answer a phone call. You're busier than responding to an email. You're busier than this and that. And guess what? That busyness is going to stop. And if you're not taking care of your clients now, you're cooking up nothing 6 months from now. How do I cook up all year long? Deliciously? Jobber. Jobber's hot on the grill and hot on my business. They take care of everything from answering my phones when I can't with Jobber AI, all the way to sending out those invoices, tracking my clients, tracking the progress of my workers, clocking in, clocking out, and invoicing, scheduling. I can go on and on. Hey, I'm gonna start cooking for real. You start cooking by using my link down below to get Jobber in the description, on the screen, or on my website, because if you do, I'm gonna invite you to All Things Jobber, where we're gonna cook up some awesome best tips and tricks using Jobber. You ready? Let's go.